When it comes to sweeping solutions, Caterpillar has you covered. Whether it be a BA118, an open-faced angle broom, or a sweeper-style broom equipped with a universal skid steer coupler, all the way up to the fusion interface on a 938 wheel loader, Caterpillar's got an angle broom, a pickup broom to fit your individual needs. Today we're going to talk about the BA118, some of the features and benefits, and how it can serve you in your daily work. The BA118C is a standard flow work tool. Signified by the nomenclature on the side of the tool, the first one stands for a standard flow. And what that means is that you're compatible with any skid steer loader, compact wheel loader, but also a multi-terrain loader and a compact track loader. Any of those models can run this tool. The second two digits, the 18 or the BA118, stands for the operating width. From 1.8 meters of sweeping width, it can angle up to 30 degrees left or right of center. Now it angles on a large diameter hinge pin, and that hinge pin is also benefited from a spring-loaded suspension system that is adjustable by the operator depending on their preferences. You simply set this chain into the engagement point that serves also as a step for safe getting in and out of the cab to the distance that you want that chain to engage, or that spring to control the travel of the angle core where you're going over rough terrain. Now also on board this BA118C is an onboard OMM. This OMM is bolted to the side of the broom so you can access any of the owner's manuals or the parts guide that's on board this tool for any replacement such as the bristle core or the side skid shoes here. Now on the side of the tool as well is some integrated steps or stands. These stands are easily retracted with this cotter pin bolt here. You simply slide these off, retract the stand, and then you go to work. When you come back to store the tool, you can store the tool retracting these stands back into this position, and then have the broom stand on them, and that improves the wear of the bristles and doesn't have them curled, making them straight for a longer life. The standard flow hydraulic motor on the BA118C is configured in direct drive. Now that direct drive hydraulic motor is easily removed in order to access the bristle core. Using these 4 cotter pins here, you simply remove those, slide the hydraulic motor out of the bristle core, and then you can stand up that core and insert replacement individual wafers, whether that be polypropylene or wire, depending on your preference. Now we want to maximize the life of those wire bristles or those polypropylene bristles, and what we recommend you do when you're going behind a cold planer, blowing millings off to the side of the road, is that when you angle the angle broom all the way over to the right for the first pass, you then come back, angle the angle broom all the way to the left in order to avoid what we call a snow cone effect. And what that is heavily worn bristles on one side of the broom and less worn bristles on the other side of the broom, leading to replacement on a much faster interval. Depending on your application and utilization of the BA118C, there's a lot of different optional extras that you can add to the BA118C to make it better for your individual needs. One option that you can select is a snow kit, in which that uses pre-drilled holes for mounting and extends this top shield out. And what that does is limits the snow throw that is occurred by clearing sidewalks or on the side of the road, and limits any additional work that you might need to do from blowing that snow elsewhere. For more information on this BA118C angle broom or the full product line of sweeping solutions offered from Caterpillar, I encourage you to talk to your local dealer.